Well, I'm putting it on, I think, for 200 milliseconds.
Can you explain how this works as well?
Yeah, this is connected to this Intel Galileo. Right there. I had GPIO lines connected to these 3 motor controllers, although I'm only using, I mean, there's 2 per board, and I'm only using 5. And so I have this web interface. And then this gripper isn't very strong. This song.
Nice, record.
After all that trouble, Hansel.
Nice, still recording.
Oh, okay.
Is there anything in the sensor so the arm knows where it is?
No, that's how you know.
Uh-huh.
Now, forgot his name. Chris Anderson, is it Anderson? The guy that started
3D Robotics?
3D Robotics.
Uh-huh.
He has on Instructables how to put a potentiometer
Uh-huh.
to measure the angles.
Oh, okay.
But
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Cool.
This is something I would have loved when I was like high
Oh
school
yeah.
or elementary school. I was like, yeah, Arduino and that robot arm. I know I always wanted a robot arm like that. But $40 is like, that's cheaper than back then.
Now, what's interesting, I mean, they sell it for kids, but keeping track of all the parts and where everything goes, very few kids that I know could have done it.
Yeah. $40 for something like that, that's a pretty good start.
Oh, yeah.
Because you get the more meticulous arms, they're already like $1,000 plus. And
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah,